Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can easily create a pivot chart from the data displayed in your pivot table after you've created the pivot table if you forgot to create one when you started the pivot table in PivotChart Wizard. To add a pivot chart at a later date, just click into the pivot table that you'd like to view as a pivot chart. Then click the Chart Wizard button on the pivot table toolbar. Excel will insert a new sheet in the workbook which displays the information from your pivot table as a pivot chart. You can use the drop-downs available to filter what data is shown, just like you use the pivot table. Also note that changes that you make to one object will be shown in the other, as the pivot table is just the source data for the pivot chart. In the pivot chart, the column data from the pivot table is shown in the pivot chart's legend. The row data from the pivot table is displayed as the categories which are being charted down below.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.